If you're a fence contractor or have a woven wire project coming up, then you need this tool. So if you get slack in your woven wire, something bumps your fence, or after you've tensioned it and you take your pullers and your stretcher bars off and you realize you have too much slack in your fence, you can use this wire bending tool to add tension curves and remove that slack. So you just simply put this on line and compress the tool, creates a new tension curve, and little by little down all these horizontals, this will add more tension to your woven wire fence. The wire bending tool even has its own set screw so that you can set the depth for each tension curve. This little tool is a great trick of the trade to put in your toolbox to help you put the finishing touches on your woven wire and achieve a professional looking fence. You can find this wire bending tool and other helpful woven wire tools at kencove.com. If there are tools or products you'd like to see in our videos, please leave your suggestions in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.